and uzoqhubeka anblesse nathi ngokwethu sime la akusho ukuthi we are just bikers but nathi singabantwana bakaBabuNkulunkulu and siyamthanda futhi. What I need to unpack exactly ukuthi as bikers what are we standing for and what is our motto and what is our goal. Because the thing that we came here for, it was for us to come sizohlanganyela nebandla ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sithole umthandazo. Before sicela umthandazo abantwana bakaBabuNkulunkulu babonile ukuthi asize ngaphambili bazosipha lo mthandazo. Lishilo izwi ukuthi yonke into oyikhulumayo iselimini lakho ukuthi uzothola ini. And today we are not going to talk about ukuthi we are going to die. We're not going to die. No one ophela anything. Ayothenga ibike. Ibike is not 50 rand. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukhipha imali epokotini athi mina ngiyothenga ukufa kwami. Today as we live here siphuma nenkazimulo siphuma neprotection kaBabuNkulunkulu yokuthi we have been covered by the blood of the Lord. Each one of us that are here as bikers, not only as bikers, even if you are driving a car, noma ngabe uhamba ngeenyawo kodwa ukufa kuyakufica. And the final song says ukuthi how do we keep each other safe as brothers and sisters? Njengoba sila, he is a husband to a wife. He is a father to his children. I am also usisi, obanye usisi nabobhuti. So all of us siyadingana ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sikhulise abantwana. So one of the things is for us to make sure ukuthi each and every one of us, we are all safe on the road. Secondly, we join bikers because not that ukuthi sifuna ukuthi sibe la sibonakale sishaya ikuta kube mnandi no. We join clubs because we want to make a difference in people's lives. The Bible says you are blessed to save. Angeke akusho ukuthi njengoba sime la akusho ukuthi sinemali. Okuncane esinako we share with anyone, those that are needy. And that is what we are standing for. Every time when I see ukuthi